Hi everyone. Well, spring's certainly here. It's a time of the year where a lot of people's focus moves towards football finals, perhaps a spring carnival if you're into the racing, or towards the property market. And the thought process at the moment is around whether the market's going to bloom or perhaps move towards wilting. So at the start of the year, I had fairly low expectations for the Melbourne property market this year in spring. At best, I thought it might have been a time of the year where we saw some consolidation after declines early in 2019. But it certainly turns out I was being far too pessimistic. The first half of the year certainly did see price declines by as much as 4% in Melbourne, but we've seen over the winter months that the market's appreciated as much as 2% according to CoreLogic. Now, the Reserve Bank, we've certainly seen 50 basis point cuts through the winter months, and combine that with the fact that there's been an easing of access to funds from the bank's perspective, and bolstered confidence around what's perceived to be a pro-federal government towards property. So that's certainly helping the market as well. On the ground, we're certainly seeing far more competitive bidding, and it's more along the lines of what we were seeing back in 2017. One of the major reasons for this has certainly been the return of the investor, but demand has certainly been solid across many home buyer types too, whether they be upsizers or downsizers, or perhaps even first home buyers. Now, the recovery is not going to be universal. Certainly some of the inner city suburbs are showing good signs of positive growth in 2019, whilst other locales are probably falling still a little bit. But we believe that the confidence and the momentum will continue to build over the remaining part of 2019, and with supply comparatively constrained for this time of the year, buyer pressure is likely to still continue to increase, and we think that there'll probably still be growth by as much as 2.5% between now and the end of the year. So it may turn out that the overall prices by conclusion of 2019 are actually up on what they were at the same time in 2018. Thanks very much.